Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to understand wallet recovery best practices in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Understanding wallet recovery best practices in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet is crucial for safeguarding your asset. Here are some best practices to ensure you can recover your wallet if needed. First, back up your recovery phrase, which is also known as seed phrase. Go to your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet and log in using your credit page. After that, go to the settings button, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you can find Manage Wallet option. Click on it and then select the wallet you want to back up. Here, click on the three dots at the right side of the wallet. Then click on Recovery Phrase and type in your passcode. After that, the recovery phrase should be backed up. Write down the recovery phrase on paper. Store it in a secure and private location, such as safe or secure deposit box. You can also avoid digital storage. Never store your recovery phrase digitally on phone, computer, or cloud. Hackers could gain access to it through malware or phishing attacks. Consider creating multiple copies of your recovery phrase and storing them in different secure locations. Second step is never share your recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase gives complete access to your wallet and funds, so it should never be shared with anyone. You can also test wallet recovery. After creating your wallet and storing your recovery phrase, consider testing the recovery process to ensure everything's works correctly. You can also enable passcode and biometric authentication. To further secure your wallet, set up a passcode and enable biometric authentication, such as Face ID or Touch ID within the application. Go to your Settings tab and click on Security option. From here, you can see Face ID button. Click on to enable biometric authentication. Always ensure that you are using the latest version of the application to avoid any security vulnerabilities. And keep up with any updates or announcements from the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet, as they may introduce new security features or changes to the recovery process. Join community forum or follow their social media account to stay informed about any potential security risks. By following these practices, you will be well prepared to recover your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet in case of device loss, theft, or any other emergency. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.